सावित्रीबाई फुले शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचलित शांतिनिकेतन प्राथमिक शाळा सातारा परिसर औरंगाबाद येथील सहशिक्षक मी एम ए महाजन. सब्जेक्ट मॅथमॅटिक्स स्टँडर्ड 5 लेक्चर 8 टॉपिक नेम फ्रॅक्शन्स. हा पाठ आज आपण शिकणार आहोत. फ्रॅक्शन्स. इक्विव्हॅलेंट फ्रॅक्शन सममूल्य अपूर्णांक. इफ वन भाकरी is divided equally between two people, each one will get half भाकरी. तर एक भाकरी आपण दोन माणसांमध्ये विभागणी केली तर तिला प्रत्येकाला अर्धी अर्धी भाकर मिळेल. द फ्रॅक्शन हाफ इज रिटन ॲज 1/2. जर अपूर्णांक हा अर्धा अपूर्णांक हा 1/2 असा 1/2 असा लिहिला जातो. हिअर 1 इज द न्यूमरेटर अँड 2 इज द डिनॉमिनेटर. 1 ला न्यूमरेटर म्हणतात आणि 2 ला इथे डिनॉमिनेटर म्हणतात. One bhakri was divided into 4 equal parts. Two of the parts were given away. एक भाकरी ही 4 भागामध्ये विभागली जाते. This is shown as 2/4. Here 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. इथं 2 हा न्यूमरेटर आहे आणि 4 हा डिनॉमिनेटर आहे. This 2 means that half a भाकरी was given. याचा अर्थ असा होतो की अर्धी भाकरी दिली जाते. 6 equal parts were made of 1 million. जे 1 मिलियन तर एका टरबुजाचे 6 पार्ट्स केले जातात. दे वेअर शेअर्ड इक्वली बाय 2 people. ते दोन व्यक्तींमध्ये विभागले जातात. इट मीन्स दॅट द पार्ट इच वन गेट वॉज 3/6. तर प्रत्येक माणसाला 3/6 पार्ट मिळेल. Each one actually got half the million. प्रत्येकाला अर्धा अर्धा मिलियन टरबूज मिळेल. Thus 3/6 was shows the fraction one half. थ्री अपॉन सिक्स जे आहे तर फ्रॅक्शन त्याला 1/2 म्हणतात. In the 3 examples above, the fraction half has been shown by 1/2 and 2/4 and 3/6 respectively. वरील तिन्ही उदाहरणामध्ये हाफ फ्रॅक्शन्स 1/2 2/4 आणि 3/6 असं दाखवलेलं आहे. It means that the value of 3 fraction is the same. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा होतो की 3 फ्रॅक्शनची व्हॅल्यू ही सारखी आहे. This is written as 1/2 equal to 2/4 equal to 3/6. Such fractions of equal value are called equivalent fraction. हे जे फ्रॅक्शन्स आहेत ज्यांना इक्विव्हॅलेंट व्हॅल्यू आहे त्याला इक्विव्हॅलेंट फ्रॅक्शन म्हणतात. Look at the colored parts of the two equal circles shown alongside. One circle is divided into 3 equal parts and 2 of them are colored. तर एक सर्कल हे 3 भागामध्ये डिवाइड केलेलं आहे आणि 2 ऑफ देम आर कलर्ड. त्यातले 2 हे कलर्ड आहे. दॅट इज द कलर्ड पार्ट इज 2/3 ऑफ द सर्कल. तर त्यातल्या जे कलर्ड पार्ट आहे हा 2/3 आहे. द अदर सर्कल of the sum size is divided into 6 equal parts. तर हे हा दुसरा सर्कल हा 6 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइड केलेला आहे and 4 of them colored. याच्यातले 4 भाग कलर केलेले आहेत. That is 4/6 of the whole circle is colored. However, we see that the colored parts of two circle are equal. Therefore 2/3 4/6. Thus 2/3 and 4/6 are equivalent fraction. 2/3 and 4/6 हे equivalent fraction आहे. Obtaining equivalent fraction. 2 of the 5 equal parts in the figure are colored. म्हणजे यातले 5 पार्ट्स मधले 2 पार्ट्स हे कलर आहे. the colored part is 2 upon 5 of the whole figure. जो या होल फिगर मध्ये 2 हे कलर आहे म्हणून होतं 2/5 हे असं कलर भाग लिहिलेला आहे. आता when two lines are drawn across the same figure, it gets divided into 15 equal parts. जर इथं आडव्या दोन रेषा मारल्या तर इथं एकूण 15 पार्ट्स तयार होतात. सो नाउ फ्रॅक्शन दॅट शोज द कलर्ड पार्ट इज 6/15. म्हणजे आपल्याला हा जो अपूर्णांक लिहिलेला आहे जो कलर्ड पार्टचा तो 6/15. However, the colored part has not changed. Therefore, we see that 2/5 equal to 6/15. Teacher, do you see any special connection between the numerator and denominators of the fractions 2/5 and 6/15? Sonu, 2 इथं 2/5 आणि 6/15 या न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये काही कनेक्शन आहे का? तर हे आपल्याला इथं बघायचं आहे. आता सोनू टेल्स 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 5 is 15. म्हणजे त्याने हे 3 times 2 is 6 आणि 6 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. The teacher, we have also seen that 1/2 equal to 2/5, 1/2 equal to 3/6, and 2/3 equal to 4/6. In two equivalent fractions, the numerator of one fraction is as many times the numerator of the other as denominator of one is of the denominator of the other. तर when the numerator and denominator of fractions are multiplied by the same non-zero number, we get fractions that is equivalent to the given fraction. When numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same non-zero number, numerator and denominator non-zero number multiply केले, we get fraction that is equivalent to the given fraction. तर आपल्याला इक्विव्हॅलंट फ्रॅक्शन मिळतो. नंदू, can I get an equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number? आपण equivalent fraction घेऊ शकतो का numerator and denominator? Teacher, of course. If the numerator and denominator have a common divisor, the fraction obtained on actually dividing them by that divisor is equivalent to the given fraction. The numerator and denominator of the fraction 6/15 can be divided by 3. On doing this division, we get the fraction 2/5. It means that 6/15 equal to 2/5. If the numerator and denominator have common divisor, then the fraction we get on dividing them by that divisor is equivalent to the given fraction. Teacher, divide the numerator and denominator of 6/12 by the same number to find an equivalent fraction. Sonu obtained this fraction. 6/12 equal to 6 divided by 2 divided by 12 divided by 2 equal to 3.6. Minu obtained this fraction. 6/12 equal to 6 divided by 3 is 12 divided by 3 equal to 2.4. Nandu, 6 and 12 can also be divided by 6. Will that do? Teacher, so 6/12 equal to 6 divided by 6, 12 divided by 6 equal to 1/2. Remember that the fraction we get by dividing 6/12 by 2 or 3 or 3 or 6 or the equivalent to 6/12, that is 6/12 equal to 3/6, 2/4 equal to 1/2. Example 1, find fraction with denominator 30 which is equivalent to 5/6. 5/6 equal to how many? We must find the right number for the box. Here 5 times the denominator 6 is 30. What is 5 times numerator 5? 5/6 will 5 into 5 divided by 6 into 5. 25 by 30. Hence the fraction 25 by 30 with denominator 30 is equivalent to 5 by 6. Find a fraction equivalent to 15 by 40 but with denominator 8. We must find the number for the box. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So we will get the number for the box of dividing 15 by 5. 15 by 5 equal to 3. Therefore 15 upon 40 equal to 3 upon 8. Thus the fraction 3 upon 8 is equivalent to the fraction 15 upon 4. आता इथं प्रॉब्लेम दिलेले राइट द प्रॉपर नंबर इन द बॉक्सेस. प्रॉब्लेम सेट नंबर 17. 1 upon 2 equal to 20. आता 2 into 10 म्हणजे 20. तर मग 1 into 10 म्हणजे 10. इथे 10 येणार वरती. 10 upon 20 इथे दिलंय बघा खाली. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड एक्झाम 3 upon 4 equal to 15 upon how much. तर 3 upon 5 equal to 15. 4 into 5 equal to 25. 20. आता थर्ड एक्झाम्पल 9 upon 11 equal to 18 upon किती. तर 9 upon 11 इथं 9 into 2 equal to 18. 11 into 2 equal to 22. आता 4 equal to 10 and 10 upon 40. तर 10 divided by 5 equal divided by 40 divided by 5 2 upon 8. आता 5 नंबरचा एरिया 14 by 26 equal to 14 by divided by 2. 26 divided by 2 7 by 13. आणि 6 नंबरचा एक्झाम्पल आहे divided by 3 equal to 4 by 6. 4 upon 6 equal to 4 divided by 2 divided by 6 upon 6 2 by 3. 1 upon each 4 by 20. 1 into 4 equal to 4. 5 into 4 equal to 20. 1 upon 4 5 equal to 4 by 20. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 5 into 5 equal to 25. 2 into 10 8 into 25. Find the equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fraction. म्हणजे समतुल्य अपूर्णांक काढायचा आहे त्याचा डिनॉमिनेटर 18 आला पाहिजे. आता बघा 1/2 1/2 म्हणजे 1 into 9 equal to 9 and 2 into 9 म्हणजे 18. त्याचा डिनॉमिनेटर 18 आला. आता सेकंड एक्झाम्पल 2 upon 3 equal to न्यूमरेटर काढायचा आहे आणि डिनॉमिनेटर 18 दिलेला आहे. तर 2 into 6 equal to 12. 3 into 6 equal to 18. आता थर्ड एक्झाम्पल पण याच्यामध्ये डिनॉमिनेटर 18 पाहिजे. तर असा आपल्याला फ्रॅक्शन शोधून काढायचं आहे. तर आपल्याला 4 ने जर आपण 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 12 येतं आणि 6 ने 3 ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 18 येतं. इथं 12 upon 18 हे त्याचं आन्सर येतं. इथं 2 upon 9 आहे तर 2 into 2 म्हणजे 4. 2 into 2 9 into 2 equal to 18. तर अशा प्रकारे 4 upon 18. 5 आहे 7 into 2 equal to 14. 9 into 2 equal to 18. 14 upon 18. 5 into 6 equal to 30. 3 into 6 equal to 18. 30 upon 18. Find the equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fraction. 6 upon 15, 10 upon 25, 12 upon 30, 6 upon 10, 21 upon 35. तर अशा प्रकारे 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 and 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2, 25 divided by 5 equal to 5. 12 divided by 6 equal to 2 and 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3 and 10 upon divided by 2 equal to 5. 21 divided by 7 equal to 3 and 35 divided by 7 equal to 5. तर अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला इक्विव्हॅलंट फ्रॅक्शन इथं शोधता येतात. तर बघा पुढे फाइंड द पेअर्स ऑफ इक्विव्हलंट फ्रॅक्शन फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. आता याच्यामधून इक्विव्हलंट फ्रॅक्शनच्या पेअर्स आपल्याला शोधायचे आहेत. 2 upon 3 equal to 18 upon 27. 9 times the numerator and denominator. तर आता पुढचं सेकंड एक्झाम्पल 5 by 7 equal to 10 upon 14. तर हे दोन्ही ट्वाइस द न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनॉमिनेटर म्हणजे हे दोन्ही पण इक्विव्हलंट आहेत. 5 upon 11 equal to 15 upon 33 twice the numerator and denominator. 7 upon 9 equal to 14 upon 18 twice the numerator and denominator. Here is equal to 2 upon 3 18 upon 27 5 upon 7 10 upon 14 5 by 8 15 divided by 33 7 by 19 14 by 18. तर अशा प्रकारे find two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. 7 upon 9 4 upon 5 3 upon 11. So 7 by 9 equal to 14 by 18 आणि 35 divided by 45. तर 4 by 5 equal to 12 upon 15 आणि 4 by 32 upon 40. 3 by 1 equal to 12 upon 44 and 27 upon 99. Like fraction and unlike fraction. The fractions such as 1 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 6 by 7, whose denominators are equal are called like fractions. Fractions such as 1 by 3, 4 by 8 and 9 by 11 which have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Converting unlike fractions into like fractions. Convert 5 by 6 and 7 by 9 into like fraction. Here we must find common multiple for the numbers 6 and 9. Multiple of 6 equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Multiples of 9 equal to 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Here the numbers 18 is to multiply of both 6 and 9. So let us make 18 denominator of both fractions. 5 upon 6 equal to 5 into 3, 6 into 3, 5 15 upon 18. 7 upon 9 equal to 7 into 2 divided by 9 into 2, 14 upon 18. Thus 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18 are like fraction, respectively equivalent 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. Here 18 is multiple of both 6 and 9. We could also choose numbers like 36 and 54 as the common denominators. Convert 4 by 8 and 9 5 by 16 into like fraction. As 16 is twice 8, it is easy to make 16 the common denominator. 4 upon 8 equal to 4 into 2 divided by 8 into 4, 2. 8 upon 16. Thus 8 upon 16 and 5 upon 16 are the required like fraction. Find a common denominator for 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 4. The numbers 28 is multiple of 5, 7 and 4. So make 28 the common denominators. 4 upon 7 equal to 4 into 4 divided by 7 into 4. 16 upon 28. 3 into 7 divided by 4 into 7 21 upon 28. 16 upon 28 and 21 upon 28 are the required like fractions. Problem set 18. Convert the given fraction into like fraction. 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 5. 8. 8 is divisible by 4. Hence, we convert 3 upon 4 into fraction with denominator 8. 3 upon 4 equal to 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 2 equal to 6 upon 8. 3 upon 4 equal to 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 are the like fractions of the given fraction. 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8 respectively. 3 upon 5 and 7, 3 upon 7, which is the second example. The denominators 5 and 7 have no common factors. 5 into 7 equal to 35. So convert the given fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 35. म्हणजे याला 5 आणि 7 याला कॉमन फॅक्टर नाहीये म्हणून आपण 5 into 7 35. सो कन्वर्ट द फ्रॅक्शन्स इंटू म्हणजे फ्रॅक्शन्सला इक्वलंट फ्रॅक्शन्स मध्ये विथ डिनॉमिनेटर 35 कन्वर्ट करायचं. 3 upon 5 equal to 3 into 7 equal to 21. 5 into 7 equal to 35. 3 into 5 equal to 15. 7 into 5 equal to 35. 21 upon 35 equal to 12 upon 15 upon 35 are the like fractions of the given fractions 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 7 respectively. 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. 10 is divisible by 5, hence we convert 4 by 5 into fractions with denominator 10. 4 upon 5 equal to 4 into 2 divided by 5 into 2 equal to 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10 and 3 upon 10 are the like fractions of the given fraction of 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10 respectively. 2 upon 9 and 1 by 6. Multiply of 9, 18, 27, 36. Multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. The least common multiple of 9 and 6 is 18. Convert the common fraction with denominator 18. 2 upon 9 equal to 2 into 2 divided by 9 into 2 equal to 4 upon 18. 1 by 6, 1 upon 6 equal to 1 into 3 divided by 6 into 3 equal to 3 upon 8. 4 upon 18 and 3 upon 18 are the fractions of the given fraction 2 by 9 and 1 by 6 respectively. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. The denominators 4 and 3 have no common factors. 4 into 3 equal to 12. So convert the given fraction into equivalent fractions with denominator 12. 1 upon 4 equal to 1 to 3 upon 4 into 3. 3 upon 12 and 2 upon 3 equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 into 4 equal to 8 upon 12. 3 upon 12 and 8 upon 12 are the like fractions of the given fraction 1 upon 4 and 2 by 3 respectively. Other 6 numbers example 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 5. 6 into 5 equal to 30. Convert the given fraction with denominator 30. 5 upon 6 equal to 5 into 5 divided by 6 into 5 equal to 5 25 upon 30. And 4 upon 5 equal to 4 into 6 divided by upon 5 into 6 equal to 24 by 30. 24 by 30 and 24 by 30 are the like fraction of the given fraction 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 6 respectively. 3 upon 8 and 1 by 6. Multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 48. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 18. The least common multiple of 8 and 6 is 24. Convert the given fraction with denominator 24. 3 into 3 divided by upon 18, 8 into 3, 9 upon 24. 1 into 4 equal to 4 or 6 into 4 equal to 24. 9 upon 24 and 4 upon 24 are the like fraction of the given fraction 3 upon 8 and 1 by 6 respectively. 1 upon 6 and 4 by 9. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Multiples of 9s are 9, 18, 27 and 36. The multiple 9 multiples the least common multiple of 9 and 6 is 18. You convert the given fraction into 9 denominator 18. 2 upon 9 equal to 2 into 2. 9 into 2 is 4 upon 18. 1 upon 6 equal to 6. 1 into 3 and divided by 1 6 into 3. 3 upon 18. 4 upon 18 and 3 upon 18 are the like fraction of given fraction 2 upon 9 and 1 by 6 respectively. 1 upon 4 and 2 by 3. The denominator 4 and 3 have no common factors. 4 into 3 equal to 12. So convert the given fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 12. 1 upon 4 equal to 4. 1 into 3 upon 4 into 3. 3 by 12. 2 upon 3 equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 into 4 equal to 4. 8 by 12. 3 upon 12 and 8 by 12 are the like fraction of the given fraction 1 upon 4 and 2 by 3 respectively. 5 by 6 and 4 by 5. 4, 6 into 5 equal to 30. Convert the given fraction and denominator 30. 5 upon 6 equal to 5 into 5 divided by 6 into 5. 25 by 30 and 4 upon 5 equal to 4 into 6 divided by 5 into 6. 24 upon 30. 25 by 30 and 24 by 30 are the like fraction of the given fraction 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 5 respectively. 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 6. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48. Multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 35, 42 and 48. तर अशा प्रकारे याचे मल्टिपल्स आहेत. तर द लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टिपल ऑफ 8 and 16 is 24. तर कन्वर्ट द गिवन fraction with denominator 24. 3 upon 8 equal to 3 into 3 divided by 8 into 3 equal to 9 upon 24, and 1 upon 6 equal to 1 into 4 divided by 1 6 into 4 equal to 4 upon 24. 6 9 upon 24 and 4 upon 24 are the like fraction of the given fraction 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 6 respectively. आता पुढचा एक्झाम्पल आहे 8 नंबरचं 1 upon 6 and 4 by 9. Multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27 and 36. The least common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. तर याचा एलसीएम येतो 18. Convert the given fraction with denominator 18. तर 1 upon 6 equal to 1 into 3, 6 into 3 equal to 18. 4 upon 5, 9 equal to 1, 4 into 2 equal to 8, 9 into equal to 18. 3 upon 18, 8 upon 18 are the like fraction of the given fraction upon 6 and 1 4 upon 9 respectively. तर इथे हा चॅप्टर पार्ट नंबर 1 संपलेला आहे. तर आपण पुढचा भाग बघणार आहोत लेक्चर नंबर 9 मध्ये. टॉपिक नेम फ्रॅक्शन. हॅव अ गुड डे. थँक्यू.